How to use Discord for study groups. Discord is an excellent tool for study groups because it combines voice, text, and file sharing all in one place. To start, create or join a Discord server specifically for your study group. Organize channels by subject or topic to keep conversation focused. Use voice channels for group discussions or study sessions where you can talk without distractions. You can also share study materials, links, and notes in text channels and use bots to set reminders or timers for breaks. Use screen sharing during voice chat to explain problems or work through assignments together. Do you use Discord for studying? Share your best study tips in the comments below. Using Discord for study groups makes collaboration easier and helps you stay connected with classmates no matter where you are. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.